This is a final video to fix Linux terminal crashing your entire phone on Android 16 QPR3 Beta, and I made for people who just want their phone to work again without stress. So tell me, does your phone freeze or reboot the moment you open Linux terminal, or does it lock up so hard that you panic and force restart? Because many users face this exact mess right now. And this problem happens because the Android 16 QPR3 Beta still carries bugs that break how Linux terminal talks to system memory and background services. So one small action triggers a full system crash. And yes, I know you search YouTube and social media already, but most fixes out there feel confusing, long, and risky. And some even ask you to flash files or reset your phone, which nobody wants. So on Rexis, I focus on clean and safe tricks. And today I share a secret easy trick that fixes this crash without wipes, without flashing, and without tech headache. And this trick works because it stops the conflict that Linux terminal creates inside the beta system and lets Android stay stable. And you can do it in minutes even if you hate tech stuff. So if you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, drop a comment right now and say you want it, because I reply and guide you. And if this helps you understand the issue, stay with Rexis for more real fixes that actually work on beta Android.